Earning money online has actually never ever been easier. The internet is crawling with lots of money making programs. A number of these are frauds or ripoffs that are out to take your difficult made income. The competition online seems very stiff, yet it has actually never been simpler to generate income online than it is today. That's right. Regardless of all those websites using you fake programs that merely do not work, there are lots of genuine ways to earn money online, and it is not that hard to do. The internet is still amongst the most convenient path to start up an organization from scratch. Since the World Wide Web is expanding at a tremendous rate and will continue to grow, the earning potential that it offers to internet entrepreneurs are better than ever. How can it be so easy to make legitimate cash online today? Investing in online services simply makes more sense for definitely anybody when you compare the internet with the outside world. In real life, the financial investment that you must make to begin your own organization typically runs into thousands of dollars and up. Not everybody can manage this substantial cost. Sadly, if your services do not work out, you run the risk of a lot of cash that you may never see once again. However, anybody with access to a computer that's connected to the internet has the possibilities to generate income even if they are on the tightest budget plan. You don't even have to offer an item to make cash with a site. You make cash by displaying advertisements on your site. You can even purchase your extreme own pre-built website created to make money at a really inexpensive price. You must have the very crucial thing prior to you can make any money. In order to make money, you should give visitors to your site that you are promoting. In order to make money, you should drive visitors to your site that you are promoting. If you compose a short article today with the links to your website, you are promoting it. That short article can possibly remain on the web permanently and continue to make cash for you when people visit your site. The internet is getting bigger each and every single day. As more and more people come online, there is more prosperity money to be made. More individuals imply a more prospective traffic for your website. Starting up and promoting your company is simpler than ever before. You do not need a big investment in time or money. Most people who begin an online organization have routine jobs just like you do. It might spend some time, however. The more you brand your organization, the larger it's going to get. You will make cash online if you drive it strong. How much money you make is how much time depends on your decision. The web is a stunning thing. What other approaches do you understand that enables anyone the opportunity to make great earnings online without a great deal of service, money or time? Everything you require to learn more about earning money is on the internet, and most of it is free. All the best to you and your success in the future. As I've said, it has never been easier to make money online than today. That's right. Regardless of all those websites providing you fake programs and simply don't work, there are lots of legitimate ways to make money online, and it is not that tough to do. You need to have one very important thing prior to you can make any money online. As more and more individuals come online, there is more potential money to be made. What other techniques do you know that permits anyone the chance to make an excellent income online without a lot of organization, cash, or time and knowledge? I have said this twice because this needs to be into your brain. Now, I could suggest a way to help even. My YouTube channel is geared for videos that help you to make money online. The channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I have over 300 videos online all about making money and how to work from home, how to earn from home, make money on the internet easily, all things like that. I've made videos explaining how to do it with little captions up on the video leading you to different pages that you can chase and follow up. YouTube, if you put into how to make money online, how to earn from home, how to make a living from the internet, things like that, put how to and then whatever you wish to do. YouTube also comes up with videos showing you and videos showing you how to earn that money and make your way online. Google for asking about programs, affiliate marketing and making money online. Google it. They give you thousands of pages of how to start an online business. YouTube, how to make money online is what you put, and they will do the same. They'll bring up all these different programs you can pick from. Underneath this video there is a like button. It's something like a thumb up or that thumb. Please click on that and subscribe, as it helps me with YouTube. Now up the top of the video there's a bell somewhere. Click the bell and press all, and YouTube will let you know when I do my next video. If you don't want to go to my channel, then just have one at a time come to you. They'll let you know when it's up. Now underneath this video there are a lot of links. They're all what we call affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs. I have just joined them. Same with the tools. I don't own the program that sells the tools. I've bought them from the program. So there's links underneath. If you join a program, purchase a tool, I will get paid a small commission. That's the way of the internet. So thank you for being here and watching this. This is Ian Jackson saying all the very best in your online ventures. Please do due diligence on whatever you join. Do the searches. Don't just jump straight in, because you'll probably find somebody to scam you. Now I don't want that. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. Working day and night or a week and then come up, you've got nothing and nothing to show for it. They've grabbed all your money. So please do your searches. This is once more Ian Jackson saying please click the button, like button, subscribe, bell if you wish to find more when Google lets you know, click the all. So thank you once more. Hope you do come back. Cheerio for now.